5 simple tips on how to win a girl's heart. 1. Be yourself, work on yourself, and have your own life. How do you work on yourself and have your own life? Number 1, I want to make it clear to you. Women love confident and self-sufficient guys. They found confident and self-sufficient guys very attractive. One, I know you would want to spend the whole of the whole of your working hours with her, but here is a simple tip I want to tell you. Why spending time with her will not find you attractive any longer? You have to be scarce. So work on yourself, have your own life, do the things you enjoy doing. Go to the gym, go shopping, take care of yourself, change your wardrobe, you smell nice and all that. Believe me, you will find you very attractive. If you're not confident and self-sufficient enough, believe me, to some girls is a deal breaker. Yeah, number 2, you have to make her your friend first and make it fun. Be a very good friend to her. Don't rush into asking her out for a date. Don't rush into seeing her as your girlfriend. Just be just keep it open. Be her friend. Friend zone her first and keep it fun. Be her best friend. And believe me, everything will fall in. 3. Keep the conversation going. Some of us doesn't know how to keep conversation going. Ask too many questions sometimes. How are you doing? How is your work? Do you do this? Do you do that? No, conversation doesn't go that way. Some girls, once you ask her 1 or 2 questions, she will be like, you ask too many questions. So here is a tip on how to keep a conversation going. Once you ask her maybe about her job, I want you to know this. If she responds, stay on that job issues. How do you enjoy your job? What attracts you? And do you just want to do this job, or is it because you don't have money or this or that? Stay on that same conversation, on that job matter for like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Then from there, believe me, she'll be enjoying your conversation. From there, you move on to things she loves doing, her hobbies. It could be music, it could be movies. Then you tell her 1 or 2 movies that you have watched, you love to watch, and she will tell you hers and all that. And from there, you move on to the things that she did, her childhood experiences and that. Believe me, she will love your conversation. She will love to be with you always. Here is number 4 tips how to win a. Don't make yourself too available. What do I mean by don't make yourself too available? When you are too available, she will definitely take you for granted. So learn how to play, how to get by not being too available. One of the benefits of not being too available is that it enhances attraction to make her feel more attracted to you. Don't always. Number 5, don't rush things. Believe me, things will fall in place. Just be the best of you. Be the best of you and tell her your feeling in a gradually. Don't rush things. Time will fall for you. Believe me. Thank you.